In this video, we'll be finishing up the roof rack for the half-car trailer. And I think it turned out pretty dope. Let's freaking go, dude. Somebody in the comments had a great idea that I should use flat bar so I could still have this lip. Well, I didn't want to buy anything, so I just cut the wood. As you can see, I notched it out there. So then I'll just sit flat inside the lip here. I just got to bolt it down. It's still plenty strong. It holds me. Whoa. Well, that didn't sound too good, but it still does hold me. I don't know how long it's going to last, but we'll see. If it doesn't last, then I'll replace it with something else. But now, I'm going to weld it to the top of the car. Or half car, trailer. You know what I mean. Almost completely out of argon. But I was able to get the roof rack completely welded on to the top of the trailer. I got to clean up the welds a little bit, but hey, it ain't going nowhere. And to prove that, let's give it a little test. That chair's gonna be. Get up here. Oh, we're gonna find out. Whew. If anything, the wood will break first. But I think it'll hold. At least it holds me. And I'm 200 fat pounds. I'm a lot. Pretty dang good. Oh, get this chair down here. Yeah, I could definitely sit up here. You know, at a car show or something. It's perfect. Hell yeah. Now I just need a little ladder. Next project idea? I think so. But for now, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and let your friends know about it. Let's freaking go, dude. Ugh.